Exercise 2.5 second question. Solve minus x square plus 3x minus 2. So since we are having a negative sign, let me multiply this inequality with a minus sign. When I multiply with minus sign, minus into minus plus x square minus into plus minus 3x minus into minus plus 2. And I have told you, whenever we multiply with a minus sign, the inequation symbol should change. So greater than or equal to will become less than or equal to. Now next step is we have to factorize this. So when I factorize this, product is 2 and sum is minus 3. So we have to think which two numbers, if you multiply we get 2 and if you add we get minus 3. The two numbers are minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 if I add minus 3. From this I can write the two brackets. The two brackets are x minus 2, x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now let me equate these two brackets to 0 and find out the value of x. X minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So we have two answers. One is x is equal to 2 and other is x is equal to 1. At this stage we have to draw the number line. Let me draw the number line. Let me mark minus infinitive plus infinitive. Now I have to mark these two numbers on the number line. Always remember, the smaller numbers on left side, greater numbers on right side. So here x is equal to 1 is smaller compared to 2, so it is on left side. 2 is bigger number than 1, so it is on the right side. Once I draw the number line, I know the three intervals are minus infinitive, comma 1, next 1, comma 2, and the next interval is 2, comma infinitive. Now we have to draw the tabular column. In the tabular column, we are going to answer. So we have to draw actually 4 columns. First column will be writing intervals. Second column will be putting the bracket x minus 2. Third column will be writing x minus 1. And the last column the final product. Okay. So let me put the headings. First column, let me write interval. Second column, x minus 1, x minus 2, and the last column, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So these are the headings. Now let me write the first interval, minus infinitive, comma 1. So from minus infinitive to 1, I can select any number. But let me select the most easiest number, 0. So now wherever x is there, I am going to substitute 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, we will have minus 1, so negative sign. Next, 0 minus 2, again our answer is minus 2, so again negative sign. The last tabular column, minus into minus, our answer is plus. So we are having positive value over here. Now next, what we have to do is, we have to select the next interval, 1, comma 2. So when we select 1, comma 2, the number between 1 and 2, let me select it as 1.5. So here first column, 1.5 minus 1. We know 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. It is a positive. So let me put plus sign. Next, 1.5 minus 2. 1.5 minus 2. In this, which is greater number? It's not necessary that you have to subtract also. We know the rules of algebra. After subtracting, you will be putting the greater number sign. So 1.5 minus 2 means whatever be the answer, you have to put a minus sign because 2 is the greater number. So that makes our work much more easy. Directly I can put the minus sign. So plus into minus, I will have minus. Plus into minus, I will have minus. Okay. Now next, the last interval is 2 to infinity. So 2 to infinity, let me select 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 is positive. 3 minus 2, 1. That is also positive. So what we will have is plus into plus, that is equal to plus. Now our tabular column is ready. Seeing this, we have to write final answer. Now for writing the final answer, I have to see here this particular equation, because we multiplied this equation with minus sign, then only we got these two brackets. So I have to see this particular equation. What is the sign we are having here? Less than and equal to. Less than and equal to means negative numbers. So in the last tabular column, where do we have negative sign? This particular place. So this particular row should be selected, and this should be our answer. So when we write the answer, how we should write the answer is x belongs to 1, 2. Since we have an equal to sign, I have to write closed interval.